Be fixing the flat tire on the backhoe. It's this tire right here. I just bought a tire repair kit. So we'll get up here. I'm going to put that stabilizer down, and then that'll give you some access to the back of that tire to get to it. So that's where our problem is. Right in there. So we've identified the hole right here. We got a spray paint mark on it. From here, that's where it's at. I've got my reamer tool. I'm gonna stick it where the hole is. Work it in there. I'm gonna go slide it. Spin it. Okay, there it's in. Pull it out, go in a little bit with it, switch it around, clean that hole. So, yeah, so there, it's in right now. So we're going to take our plug insertion tool, we'll get a little bit of the wax on here, get it coated on this. It's pretty good. We'll grab one of our tire plugs. Take that like this. We'll stick it in. So when you pull this reamer out, you're going to want to stick this in pretty quickly right after it in that same hole. So and you want to jam this in there. Back at the end. And that should be good. I don't hear any leaks coming out. So I'm adding some more air to the tire, but that's pretty much it. The plug is in, as you can see, and we're back in business. So hopefully no more leaking tire. Filling it up now and get this one filled up a little bit, but again, if you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.